screen, so congrats.
Okay. Is this a sale? Is my information being sold by somebody?
No, your information is not being sold. The reason for the phone call, like I said, is to just offer flowers. We're trying to get our name out there in the community. We hope that you like our products and you'll be to us down the line. But no, I'm not selling your information. I'm not selling you anything here.
All right.
If you say yes to me this morning, Ken, I can bring the flowers to you, or I can deliver them to someone else on your behalf. Really, any address in the Bay Area will do.
Tell you what, why don't I come by and pick them up?
I'm sorry?
I would prefer to come by your store and pick them up if you could give me your address.
Well, we do free delivery, so, you don't have to move a muscle. If you say yes, I'll bring, anywhere you want.
I don't really, if you don't already have my phone number and address together, I would prefer to keep those in. Thank you.
Well, I have your phone number. Yeah, I don't have your address.
Right, now I prefer to keep it that way. So I'm saying if you are giving me a free bouquet of flowers, I will come to your shop to pick them up.
Okay, sure, we can do that. We're open 9 to 5. Can you make it before 5 today?
Yes, I can.
All right, yeah, we will do that. I'll let you know where we're located here in a moment. Let me just finish the order, though. So, free flowers, and then do you want me to put them under your name or someone else's name?
Yeah, no, I guess go ahead and put them under my name.
Okay. Are these going to be for you, or are you going to hand them off to someone else? A card with the flowers, so it looks nice and professional. And
yeah, just put to Emma and then leave the rest blank. I'll figure something out there.
To Emma?
Yes, to Emma.
And who is Emma?
Emma is my wife.
All right. Well, I think we have enough to go off of. My name is not Chad. My name is Benny, and I'm not calling from a flower shop. I'm calling from a radio station. Now, you were on it in what is called a love trap. So we catch Bay Area cheaters. And on the phone this morning is Heather, who called us because she's suspicious that you might be seeing someone else. I thought you were married. Heather, are you there?
I am.
You heard all that.
Yeah. I knew you had a double life. I knew it.
Were you not having a good time?
Oh.
What?
What?
Was this not fun for you? Were you not having a good time? Why did you poke at this?
What are you even? Are you yelling? Are you being rude to me right now? You have been lying.
I told you not to dig into my life. I always avoid questions. I tell you not to ask a lot about me, and this is what...
You told her all this because you're married. She didn't know you were married. It's not like you did all the... It does not matter.
Heather never specifically asked me if I was married. I didn't lie. I said don't ask questions about...
Okay, look, from the beginning, I had red flags, okay? Like, nobody only has Snapchat, all right? And there's just a million things, like we never go out together, et cetera, et cetera. You ghost, you don't text. Here's my question. If you have a wife, where was she? When I went to your apartment, that you were married, that you had a life with someone else, where the hell was this woman?
That's our question.
Well, I think you know how I feel about questions, and I think I'm done with this conversation.
Is it, you got a secondary apartment?
I'm done talking. Thank you.
I mean, no pictures, no... Oh! We got the point.
Maybe he's a serial killer. I don't know. Oh my God.
So,
I feel like this saved me.
Wait, I was gonna ask him this question, but I gotta ask you. So, I mean, obviously not, but no pictures, no signs of a woman, no hair, no nothing.
If I had shown up at his apartment and there was any evidence whatsoever of a I'm like...
And he's not cleaning that up every time, so it's a secondary apartment.
All that I can think is like, oh, this guy is like, split personality. Like, he was so rude just now. I have never heard him act that way.
It's because he got caught, girl. I mean, that's why he acted that way. You really did dodge a huge bullet with this.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's not what I hoped for, but I'd rather be done now. That was messed up.
Take care, Heather. Best of luck.
All right. Bye-bye.
And of course, we're back at you tomorrow with another love trap. Same time, same place.
Yeah, Paige found some evidence that another woman was in her man's place, but he's been very evasive. So she's turned to the love trap, and we're going to set it on Corby. Same time tomorrow. tomorrow morning with Benny, Nikki, and Greg on Big Bay Mornings.
This every morning on my commute is Big Bay Mornings.
Hello? Hey, did you see the concert Erica posted about?
Mm-hmm. Got my ticket, my mask, and a negative COVID test result. You going?
Girl, you already know. But guess who's not going?
Don't tell me, Coco. I heard she got the Rona.
Yep, she didn't get vaccinated, and now it's hitting her hard.
Too bad. I hope she gets vaccinated now.
I'm glad we got boosted.
Me too.
Don't let the fun slip through your fingers. Mask up, stay home, and test if you feel sick. Get vaccinated and boosted to protect against COVID-19.
For a rewarding new career, join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles nationwide. Serve your community with pride and receive benefits including competitive pay and opportunities for advancement. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or seasonal positions, we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at USPS.com/careers.
Let it go.
Experience
From the producer of The Lion King comes the show critics are calling a serious mega hit. Frozen is a can't-miss Broadway event. Performances begin November 18th at the Orpheum Theater. Get tickets.
Our stand, our pop-up shop, it really all started when we discovered the benefits of local raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc. Subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase.
Good morning, Bay Area. It's Fernando. Thanks to Big Bay Mornings for giving me a few seconds here to remind you that I'm on the radio every weekday after 10 a.m. I'll customize the playlist for you, and I'm the guy with the hookups, too. This week, it's Swedish House Mafia tickets. Talk to you right after Big Bay Fernando on 99.7 now.
Realtors abide by a code of ethics. This is Article 9 in action. Beth, a first-time homebuyer, knew nothing about the home buying process, except that she wanted to buy a home. But her realtor had the expertise to make sure Beth understood every document, even giving her copies to review with her lawyer so Beth could close on her first home with confidence. Complicated things explained in simple terms. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
In order for small businesses to thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding more with less. That's never been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for companies across the country. When you call in now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 a month for 12 months. $39 a month, with no annual contract and a money-back guarantee. All on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with the company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call and get started today. Powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. New Comcast Business 50 megabit per second internet customers only. Requires eco and auto pay. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, rates apply.
Big?
Hell yeah. They're hilarious.
Bay.
They make my morning.
Mornings.
My absolute favorite. 99.7 now.
Oakland, San Jose.
Wake up right way.
Period.
With Benny,
It's our time.
Nikki, and Greg. 99.7 now.
And it is time for the BBM DM. You can slide through on Instagram at Big Bay Mornings. This morning's DM goes like this. What up, Big Bay Mornings? A few days ago, my wife and I were at a movie, and the theater was packed. Next to us was a couple, most likely early 20s, who could not keep their hands on each other. They started off with innocent cuddling, then kissing, then full-on making out. I could have sworn it was about to turn into an upper deck situation at the A's game, if you know what I mean.
Ooh, upper deckers.
My wife just ignored it, but honestly, it made me really uncomfortable, especially since they were sitting closest to me and were literally bumping me as they groped each other.
Oh, okay.
I finally got pretty loud and asked them politely, but sternly, to stop and take it somewhere else. Well, the woman got really mad. She made a scene telling me to stay out of their business. Caused a whole scene during the movie. Finally, the couple got up and left, but they were swearing at me and my wife as they walked by.
Damn, you really ruined the movie.
My wife was mortified. And after the movie, she wouldn't talk to me, and I could tell she was upset. After prying, she finally told me that she was embarrassed I caused a scene and I should have ignored what was happening. How could I possibly be in the wrong here? Should I have ignored the situation?
I mean, I would say normally yes if they weren't, but like if they were like in a different part of the theater and they were doing this. They were bumping the guy. That's the weird part. Now, I would have just moved, or you know me, I'd have gone and turned them into the manager and got them kicked out, you know.
Okay, Karen.
Yeah, I would have done that. See, that wouldn't cause a scene. Let somebody else do your dirty. I'm all about going to HR all the time. So let somebody else do your dirty work. In this case, he wasn't really wrong, but you could have just moved. I mean, that's what I
Well,
would have done.
maybe. He said the theater was packed.
Yeah.
Then I would have been a Karen. I would have turned them in.
I don't think it's his fault. I mean, they reacted. They're the ones that made the scene bigger. It really was that. I mean, personally, I would have been elbowing them back. Every time somebody's hand, I would have grabbed her hand, or I would have started.
Let's be honest, you would have joined them.
Depends.
What they look like.
Exactly. And I with my
bumping
partner.
you. Them
The
bumping
bumping,
you
that's
is
the problem.
rude. That is rude.
That's my issue. Keep your space. Do what you need to do. Yeah, it's going to be uncomfortable, and you can ignore that. But if you are touching me, I don't even care if you aren't making out with the person next to you. Mind your business. You know how you got that little shared space, even like when you're on the airplane. You know, we will be I will elbow you.
Yeah, somebody's elbow has to go in front.
Yes.
The other person's elbow goes behind.
But that's a